My name is Enoch, and I want to welcome you to my channel Skyface Concept, where I make a review of some technologies and some material online. And today I want to thank those of you that have subscribed to my channel, those of you that have been watching my video. I want to say big thanks to you. Thank you very much for staying with me. And for you that are watching my video for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel so that you will enjoy all my videos and the tips I have for you. Today I have some information about SoundCard or sound online. If you have a challenge in delivering a good sound for your audience, today's video will solve your problem. And today I want to show you just two systems that I have, and I have a little challenge about sound. If you have a conference or meeting and you might have this challenge. If you have a system having a single jackpot, what is the solution? And you have a headphone, this type of headphone or any type. You know, this one is having mic and the two speakers here, and you have something like this. You won't be able to use it. Why? Because the type of technology they use for that system is very different from this. And then this one is this one is for headphone and this one is for mic. How do I know? If you can see this description, you see that they give me a shape of headphone. Yeah. And if you can see this, you will see something like mic shape. So if you buy anything like that, just make sure you check the pin, the description being shown here. And that's not our main purpose of this video. But if you have something like that and you have a single port system, you can't be able to use this because you won't have good sound. Either maybe one side will come in, the second side will make noise or be muted, and you need something like balanced sound. And if you have something like that, okay, let me show you the second system. If you have something like this, you have a mic port here and a earphone port here. You can be able to use that earphone that I show you, and you will have a good and a balanced sound, but you might have noise being entering because the type of the cable can cause sound, unnecessary noise, and or the type of the current of the light you have can also bring in unnecessary noise. And then to solve that problem with a single port system, you need a sound card. The sound card is an interface for you to be able to have sound input inside your system, and I have something like this. I have my USB interface and the jack interface here. So I will show you some description here. I have only 4 buttons on this sound card. I have the mode mic, the mode speaker, then volume up and volume down. And if you want to use this, you will be able to input this, and as I show you this, that it has description. Also, this one has description too. So if you buy any of the sound card, check the description very well. And I have a mic and earphone description here, so let me just input it for you to see, because many people don't know how to do this. So you have something like this, the entering here, and you can easily use a 2 earphone, 2 mics with this type of sound card. Also, we have another design outside that has only a pair input, which is you can only use a single earphone like this on your system. And also there is one too, I've seen it before. You can have something like this as a sound card, and you plug in this to your system so that you have a clear and very neat sound inside your system. And then apart from this, I still have challenge with this, because there is a lot of sound, there is a lot of noise coming in when I use it in my church. When I use this sound card, I got a lot of noise in terms of the wave of the current from the charger, from the power surge from the building. And then I just think, if I want to achieve a good, very neat sound, I have to buy or look for another sound card. 2021, I got sound card, very heavy. If I show you, though I don't have anybody beside me to carry. This thing is very heavy. Yeah, this is a sound card. I have a musical mini mixer. This is a mini mixer, but it's a sound card. I will show you something with this. I got this May 2021. As you can see, I wrote it here. So from here, can I open it for you? Let us open it. So see the way the pack, everything. See. So now I have wow, very popular. So from here I have a guarantee certificate form and some instruction here, guarantee clauses. Yeah, I have a manual, very popular manual, but detailed. I have manual, I have a 5-volt adapter, USB adapter, and I have the USB cable. Yeah, but as this is it. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 main inputs, and I have one input here. This phono plug, this normal jack, left and right balanced, and I have how many channels there? They wrote 6. How come Wow, how come? So here is the first channel, second channel, third channel, fourth channel, and I have 5 and 6. So where do they write? Okay, it's 5 and 6. That means it's balanced. So if you plug here, you get left. If you plug here, you get right. But if you plug the two together, you will have a balanced sound. I have a FET button here for each channel. Then here you can also switch from stereo to USB. Then I have the first knob here. I have gain, I have high, and I have low, and I have the volume here. Also for that's how they use. But here I have one yellow. They wrote delay. Wow! So I can have effect. I have repeat here, and I have main volume. I think main volume is controlling these two outputs here. And I have phone. Wow! So I can use the phone. This is the jack port, and I have the signal and clip indicator. Wow! But yeah, I have USB. Wow! That means I can use a flash drive. Yeah, that's that. I can connect it to system in which anything you plug here, you will use this 5 and 6 to control it. That's the instruction given here. And wow, so I still have Bluetooth BT. Wow, this is very nice sound card. But then I have two things here. I have a switch here. I have the USB interface here again. But this interface can only be plugged to charger and system. So that means I have this sound card being powered with 5 volts. Let us see. But here they wrote Phantom 48 volts. Wow, how come? Boosting 5 volts to 48 volts. How come that's Phantom for port 1, 2, 3, 4? Is that true? Let's see. From this sound card, I've used it a lot. Since 2021, I've been getting a good sound, even if my charger of my system is having a lot of current flowing inside of it. I have noise when I'm using this sound card, but with this sound card, it has removed every noise. So you can really get this. I got it online. I can't remember the price there, but I think it's around $50 now. This sound card, and we have also 2 ports of it. But this sound card, if you are the type looking for a mini studio and you want to set up a mini studio inside your room, maybe you have a keyboard, you have a beat pad, you have a microphone, and you want to make something like sound effects, jingle, presentation, whatever, you can also use this as your mixer too. Very clean mixer. But I also have challenge with this, because many people that are using the BlackBerry mouse charger also knows that charger used to spoil anyhow. Also, this one is having the BlackBerry mouse charger. That's which some people used to call it Type B. But this time around, we have a very strong charger mouth being reigning now. We call it Type C, and it's been known as Type C. This is the type of the cable I'm talking about. So, with my challenge with this, I've made a lot of research. Although some people do believe that the moment you have Type B or BlackBerry mouth charger, you can't change it to Type C. But it works for me. I've made some device converting the Type B to Type C, and it works. And I want to use that method to change this BlackBerry mouth to Type C, and I won't do it today, but I just want to show you the type of new SoundCard that is outside. And this one, you can power it with your power bank. So if you have a filmmaking, you have a project as filmmaking, you can also use this to record your sound. And see you next time, why I show you how I change this Type B to Type C. So please subscribe to my channel, and let's stay tuned to my channel for the next update. Bye. See you next time.